As we dive deeper into the world of AI, it's important to understand what we're truly dealing with when we compare AI to the human brain. The human brain is an incredibly complex and powerful organ, and it's what AI aspires to replicate or even surpass in certain tasks. But to appreciate the challenge that AI faces, let's take a closer look at the remarkable capabilities of the human brain. Storage capacity. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each capable of making thousands of connections. This gives us what is essentially unlimited storage capacity. Imagine trying to build a machine that can store and process that much information. This is one of the immense challenges AI researchers face. Neural connections. These billions of neurons form a network of quadrillions of connections. This complex network is what allows us to think, learn, and adapt with incredible speed and flexibility. AI systems, like neural networks, are designed to mimic these connections. But the sheer scale and complexity of the human brain's network is still far beyond what current AI systems can achieve. Information speed. Information in the human brain travels at speeds up to 250 miles per hour, which is faster than a Formula One car. This incredible speed allows us to react almost instantaneously to stimuli, process complex information, and make decisions in the blink of an eye. AI, on the other hand, often requires significant computational power and time to process similar tasks. When we talk about AI matching or surpassing human cognitive tasks, it's important to remember just how advanced our own brains are. The human brain's ability to store vast amounts of information, make complex connections, and process data at lightning speed sets a high bar for AI. While AI can excel in specific tasks, replicating the full range of human cognitive abilities is a challenge that researchers are still working to overcome.